What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. This is supposed to be on our friend Matic. Get it together. Currently Matic sitting at $1.18, up 1% on the day. You see market cap of 10.03 billion, 24-hour volume, 542 million. So let's hop into the charts. Make sure to sign up to either Bickit or Bybit. Grab those bonuses. Email me or sign up email. Completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. So looking at the price of Matic, it could be that this 5-wave move is already complete in the wave C. I thought we may see one more lower low, but we definitely could in an ending diagonal. But if we just straight break out from here, then we can give you that wave 3 target. I believe, yeah, it's up here at $1.68. So you can see we have a nice descending broadening wedge. We have started to break out. Just be careful of a fake out. We need to confirm above it, retest it, see continuation. And that could take you all the way up to at $1.24. If we do create a lower low, then look for us to bounce from this yellow box, which I think is likely, and then see continuation to the upside. We've been watching this rising wedge pattern. So the bulls want to see Matic get back above the EMAs, hold them as support so it can push back up to that resistance at about $1.60. Because if we get rejected and we roll, we break down out of this pattern, obviously that's quite negative. I don't think that's a likely scenario that we lose this low here at 97 cents, but we'll have to see how it plays out. ETH, bullish consolidation that we've been covering here on the channel, holding this inverse head and shoulders. So if we can break these highs, the target's all the way up here at 27.53. Now, oh wow, this is looking pretty good for a straight breakout right now. We were looking, I talked about this in the Discord, of a potential WXY, but we have already reached a 50% retracement. So this could have easily been an this could have easily been an A, B, C correction, and now you're going to straight breakout. If that's the case, your wave 3 target is 21.26. We're already starting to push up. If we can break these levels of resistance, of course, you can have overshooting wave Bs, but it would be more probable of pushing up to 21.26. Just be careful. If we do get rejected once again, you can come back down to this target zone. Either way, I do think we will see continuation to the upside. Currently, we're in a long trade for Gala Games, which I gave a signal for. It's only $10 a month. You really can't beat it. So that's basically it for this little update. As you can see, Ethereum is beautifully holding this neckline, allowing the EMAs to catch back up to the candle. So a straight breakout would lead up to about 27.53, and the short-term wave 3 target 21.26. And for the price of Matic, if we can straight break out from here, you have a wave 3 target of $1.68, and of course the target of the descending broadening wedge, which is up here at $1.25. But if we get rejected, we do roll over. Then just look for a bounce from this yellow box, and before seeing continuation to the upside, which I do think is likely for the price of Matic. As we can see on the weekly time frame, we're about to print that bullish cross that we've been watching closely here, and that could be a massive signal that the bottom is in for Matic, which I already think is highly probable. All right, gang, so make sure to sign up to either Bickit or Bybit. Grab those bonuses. Email me or sign up email. Completely free access to over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. At the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis signals, crypto news, member profits, how to all plays. $10 a month. As I said, we're in a Gala Games long, which I gave a signal for in the Discord. Currently in profits. Make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. All right, much love. Take care.